crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today for the release of the August free kit. And before I get into it, I just want to take a minute to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers and to all of my Ko-Fi supporters, my channel supporters, and for everybody that's supporting my shop. I truly appreciate it. I've all but stopped posting new stuff in my Etsy shop, and now I'm just posting everything exclusively in my own online shop because the Etsy fees have just gone up so high, and everything in my shop is cheaper than it is on Etsy anyway. So I hope you'll jump over there to support me as opposed to going to Etsy. But hey, I get it. Some people have Etsy accounts or gift cards or whatever they want to use, so that's fine. But for everybody who's supporting me in all of the areas, I so appreciate you all, and I truly am honored to be able to have the time to make these kits for you and to just do fun stuff. And yeah, I'm overjoyed. My heart is full by all of the love from this community. So thank you, all of you. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing and hitting that bell to get notifications. Of course, check out the content, make sure it's something that you're interested in. But I have found that there are a lot of people out there who think they're subscribed, but then they go in and check and they find they're not subscribed. So they're not getting notifications for when I post new videos. It's a YouTube thing. I don't know. So you may want to check. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to be. And yeah, hit the bell to turn the notifications on so you know when my videos come out. Okay. It's August, guys, and that means a new kit. And this one's going to be a fun one. We're going to make a tag book or a tag journal. And these are all over Pinterest. This is nothing new. This is just my design of one. And I thought it would be fun to do one of these. They're kind of mini, so they kind of fit into my mini kit theme of the year. And yeah, so if you're not sure what a tag book is, there's all different versions, varieties, sizes, shapes. You can go to Pinterest and even here on YouTube and just search tag book or tag journal, and you'll find all sorts of fun stuff. But that's what we're doing this month, and I'm just going to run through the video right now and show you guys what's inside, and then just give you some options. So if you want to kind of get prepped for our makes, though this isn't really, rocket science here. And if you watch a couple of videos or you look at a couple of Pinterest pins, you'll see exactly what these are. But this month's theme is ladybugs, and you can't tell here, but you will in a minute. And so I'm giving you a bunch of pages, basically, in some ephemera. So you have two cover design options. See, that's the ladybugs that you're going to be able to do. This one has a spine in the middle, and we will sew in the individual tag pages. So it's basically everything is shaped like a tag, and you just fold it in half like you would fold in journal pages in half, and we sew them into the journal. So we're going to have one cover like this where the spine is attached, and then we're going to have another one where we can attach either fabric, or I've given you some paper ones, which I'll talk to you about when we're doing the makes, how to reinforce these. And then you'll attach these to the covers, and then we'll sew over them through our tag pages. Okay, so that will all be covered in this month's make. So again, if you want to know when those videos come out, you can just set up your notifications. So this is the second cover, and then you can see we have a ton of ephemera. So there's just going to be little pieces that you can put. There's also going to be some papers. Okay, just a little interruption. Sorry about that. Okay, so as I was saying, there'll also be some additional pages that you'll get. So you can use that with this or whatever you want. It's free. All throughout the month of August, and all the details will be in the description box below so you can get your free kit. All right, I do want to answer one other thing because this comes up a lot. When I send you the link to the free kit, so when you go and you put your name and email in, you get my email, there's a link in there where you go to get the kit, and it's in Dropbox. And a lot of people message me and they say, I don't have storage on my Dropbox, I can't add your files to Dropbox. And you don't need to add my files to your Dropbox. You can download them directly. So what I advise you do, if you have a Dropbox account, log out of your Dropbox account and then go back over to the email I sent you and click the link after you're logged out. This will take you over to Dropbox as if you're not a Dropbox user. And if you go up in the upper left, right, my other right corner, there's usually a download. So it's, I don't know if it's a box with an arrow or a cloud with an arrow, but there's always a download button there. And you can just download the pages that you want. You can also like click on the one you want and just download that individual page. You also don't need to be added to my Dropbox. I get a lot of requests for people to be added to the folder. You don't need to be added to the folder. Just simply log out of your Dropbox account and then click the link in the email and you can go get all the pages from the kit. Okay, that's simple. That said, let's move on. Okay, so cover 1 with the spine, cover 2 without the spine. And then I gave you these tabbies. I'm going to use fabric on mine, but you'll be able to use what I gave you and then some fun ephemera. Okay, this is the tag page 1. Now, I didn't print on the other side because what I think I'm going to do is either A, cut out some of these other tags and attach them to the other side after I cut them out, or use the extra sheets of paper to make the other side of these. These aren't really set up so that you can reverse them in your printer, so keep that in mind. But you can, you know, cut out some of the other pages and just attach them to the other side. That's what I'm gonna do. And so as we go through the make, you'll see how that works. Okay, so here's the first page of tags. So we've got some cool ladybugs and some polka dot paper, and these are they're the little circles that fold over the tag to make it so we can punch a hole in it. And as I go through making the kit, you'll see how I use them, but that's what those are. So you get 8 of them in this neutral color. And then here's the next page. You get another 8 in a different neutral color, so you can add your own design to that if you want. You can use inks on the outside, you know, or you can leave them as they are. And just remember, these will go over these, so that's why I kind of left them neutral. All right, here is the next page of tags. Here is the next one. There's a little ladybug pattern and a fun floral pattern. And then this is just kind of some lace. It's hard to see, but there are little ladybugs in there. So you can fussy cuts this out and add it to your pages if you'd like. All right, here's the next set of tags. So the purpose is to cut these out as one piece and then fold them in half, and they'll make a journal page, kind of like this, except with a tag, okay? And then these are just some ephemera pieces. You can attach them inside the tag. We'll do fun stuff with them. This one's just a plain one with some more ephemera, all ladybug related. I love the ladybugs. Okay, this one has some grasses, a little mushroom, and a ladybug in a frame. Here, I put some of that ladybug lace. This is a different one here. She's got a little ladybug on her hat. This one's in flight. This I will fix. Actually, if you cut around that, you're not even gonna see it, but yeah, I'll fix that before you guys download it. I'm doing this video ahead of time. This one has some thistle and grasses. More fun ephemera for you. Beautiful yellow flowers. And you don't have to use all of these. You know, you can make a couple of different books, tag books if you want. You know, do different designs in each one. Completely up to you. And then these are the papers that you get. So you can use these for the backs of the tags. You can use them to make pockets inside of our tag book, covers, whatever you want to do. This one's got a ladybug design with some florals. Is there another one on there? No. Okay. I printed all of my on cardstock, by the way. You don't have to do that. You can definitely do some of these on copyweight paper, and then maybe print some alternates that you might cut out and put on the backside on cardstock. So I choose to use all cardstock because I find it more versatile and more sturdy, but use what you have. You don't have to print it all on cardstock. And as far as the cardstock I use, everything's in the description box below. I put all my links. They are affiliate links, so I do get a small commission if you use my link, but you don't pay any more than you would if you didn't use my link. So it's just another way to support the shop. But my Nina cardstock is the one that I prefer, and that is down below in the description. And then I use the Amazon Basics copy paper, so I also put that below. I also use one that is a little brighter copy paper. It's got a brightness that's a little higher than the Amazon. So I also put that below. So if you're interested in what papers I use, that's what that is. And these are all printed on Nina right now. So that's what you're seeing here. And I use an Epson ET2800 printer. It's an EcoTank printer and I love it. That is also in the description box below. Okay, and then we got some polka dots. Nice greens, a little distressing on them. Another one with different types of polka dots and distressing. This one's a nice floral design, kind of like a William Morris wallpaper, which is what inspired these. Just trying to stay with the ladybug theme and give you some options. But I'm sure you'll find other uses for these, right? Look at this one. Isn't that fun? And then some more of those grasses, a fun gingham, like picnicky, which ladybugs picnics, you know. Just some sketchy kind of pages. Another one of those William Morris looking ones. More sketching. And this one's got some thistle. And that's it. That is the kit. Now, if you want to prep ahead, because I know a lot of you guys like to get moving way before I do. Here's what I suggest you do. Pick out the tags you want to use. Now, you can choose to use them all. So you can print them out on one side and then use these pages to create the other side of the tag if you want. Or you can cut this one out and that one out and then glue them together and use them that way if you want. Especially if you're using copyweight paper, that would be great for that. So you can cut all of these out ahead of time so you can have all your fussy cutting done. And then choose the cover that you're going to use initially. I'll show you how to do both. This one, if you choose this one, you're going to have the option to put more inside because these are going to be adjustable. This one, you're kind of, you know, stuck with the size spine you got. So I think you could fit maybe 4 or 5 of the tag pages in here and then sew them in. If you're using copyweight paper, definitely. And you don't have to sew. You can, we can just use some elastic or some string around this portion to hold your tag pages. I'll show you how to do that in the makes. All right, guys, that is it. All of the information is down below. Go grab yours. It is free throughout the month of August. And yeah, go get it while it's there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next make video. Bye.